Hi friends, good morning. Today it is 13/7/2025. The time is roughly around 10:30. Hope you are seeing my Telegram channel where people are posting their God owned strategy as well as no law strategy. Again, I'm saying these are all not strategies. These are all nothing but discipline. So the market doesn't need your strategy. If you are disciplined, then you are going to get these results. Now let's get into the weekly forecast webinar, and let's talk about from the very basic stuff, which is your SMA. And as of now, Nifty closed below the 20 SMA, so possibility that it may even come and touch the 50 SMA. So now in between it is clear sideways. In between it is clear sideways, and more or less. I will not call this as a C clamp, but when it comes to Ichimoku, it is clearly a C clamp, and I will explain you that. Then when it comes to pitchfork, again this will be the resistance area, but again it is coming down, so the support level is this green color line. It is somewhere around 24,750 level, 750 level. So now let's go to Ichimoku, and this is clearly a C clamp as of now. So now this is a base formation, and this is a flat, and it is inside now. One candle, second candle, third candle. So now we need to watch whether what is going to happen in the next three candles, whether it is going to be within this C clamp or it is going to take the support from the baseline after touching this tomorrow. Let's see whether it is going to bounce back here. But again, till it is not going to cross this blue color line on the upper side, it is going to be for the option writer. Okay. So now let's get into Fibo, and this is based on the Gann angle. So it closed above the Gann angle. So now the support is here, 0.618, and predominantly it is this 4/1 line, whereas somewhere the support is lying here, which is again 24,552. So now unless and until it is not going to close above this, or it is not going to close above the Gann angle, it is going to be bearish only. Okay. Now let's get into Bank Nifty. Again, Bank Nifty is okay because it is not close to below your 20 SMA. So it is still holding your 20 SMA. So nothing to worry about when it comes to Bank Nifty. And again, as we already told that in the last three videos, that this is going to be the topmost pitchfork line. So obviously Bank Nifty will have a resistance on that line. So now if you go back previously, exactly it got rejected, came down, and again exactly it got rejected and came down, and this is the extension of that. So the extension line is clearly giving the resistance on the top. Now when it comes to Ichimoku, again C clamp is forming, and the base is bigger here. So possibility that it may even come down tomorrow here, and then possibility of a bounce back. But again, inside this is for option right. Okay. So now when it comes to Fibo, it has not achieved the first target, which is 57,850. So now most probably that maybe after taking the support, it may go and touch this area, but till it is not going to close above the 9th July, the market will be in tremendous trouble on the upside. It will not able to cross that date, because this is a very crucial combination cycle, which is 9th of July. Okay, so very crucial support, a very crucial day. So below that it closed, and it was a gap down yesterday, and I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Let's watch that. But unless and until it is not going to close above 9th July high, so you need to be very cautious on the market. Okay, so now let's go to fortune signals. Now as of now, if you see, last time it gave a fake sell here, and from there it moved up, and again if you go back in the down also, not this one. So now if you see here, yesterday this candle closed a little below, but you should not consider this because this is a 15 minutes candle. So you should not consider that. As of now, it is in fake sell only. So we need to watch whether it is going to give you genuine buy tomorrow, even because this candle I will not consider, because this is the last 15 minutes candle. So I will not consider. As of now, it is fake sell only, fake G sell only. If you go to Bank Nifty, nothing to worry about it, and this is called the magical candle. It closed above, you need to take the entry and you need to watch out here whether it is getting rejected here. If it rejects here, then it will be a little bit problem. So if it closed below this candle low, this magical candle low, you need to be cautious on a 1 hour closing basis. On a 1 hour closing basis. Now if you go to 15 minutes, so now this is the G sell candle. As of now, the G sell candle was holding when it comes to Bank Nifty, but when you go to Nifty, it was a clear sell from here, and from there none of the candle was green and it is coming down very badly. So let's watch what's going to be there for tomorrow, because tomorrow is a very crucial astrological event which is happening, and it's going to be a long-term trend deduction, planetary stuff. So tomorrow it's going to be very important, and the impact will happen tomorrow, and the major thing happened on 13th July, which was today. So the impact will be tomorrow. Okay, so then the next one is 18th July. We need to watch this again, because 3 major astrological event happened this month, which is going to be very crucial for the market. So when most of the planetary alignment of the same nature comes on a single month, so this month high and low is going to be very crucial for the coming months to come. Okay, so now this is the number. So the high is not achieved, and more or less it closed to below this number. So obviously it is bearish, and let's see what the market is going to offer us in the coming days. And tomorrow I will try to give this, but tomorrow morning I am not there. So once I reach home, I will try to give this number in Telegram channel as well as to my members. So now when it comes to the monthly number, this is the monthly number and this is the weekly number. And again the VIX is below 12. So obviously, the range expansion is possible, and again major astro date first 15 minutes high and low will do the magic, and tomorrow the mega timing is here. So watch out for this timing. It is 10 minutes timing, actually 10 minutes timing candle. So watch out for this 10 minutes timing candle. So now let's talk about the real game. So now, till all the numbers are bearish, unless and until this 2 number becomes bullish, this market is sell on rise only. Okay, you can take positional long only when this 2 becomes bullish. Otherwise, every move up on the higher side, you will get a selling pressure. So unless and until these 2 numbers are not going to, the market is not going to close above these 2 numbers, this market is clearly sell on rise, because it closed to below the monthly number, which is really dangerous for the market. Now again, these are all the numbers which you need to watch out for. On the downside, I have already given you the targets, and till it is below this number, already this number is touched, but break below this number, we will have a severe problem on the downside. So watch out for that, and the pivot is already given here. But when it comes to Bank Nifty, again, the convergence is still intact, and this number is getting held. So now again, in case if the market goes up tomorrow on the higher side, go short here, stop loss 144 points from the I number. You can go short from here, and the stop loss is 144 points from the I number, and the possibility that it will try to come and achieve this number, break below and close below this number. Don't even carry forward any long position. Please, intraday you can do any long, nothing to worry about it, but if it closes below this, 100% you need to be in short only. It's already in short only, but close below this number, you need to be very careful. Even if the Dow Jones goes up by 1000 points also, don't worry, our market will come down if this 4 numbers are in bearish. Again, tomorrow, in case if the Nifty goes up on the higher side, you can simply go short here. you can simply go short here. And on the daily closing basis, it has to close above this number. But even if it closes above this number, positional long is not advised unless and until it closes above this two number. These two number are the trailing stop loss for the market. This is the intraday number and this is the positional number. Okay, so watch out for that. And coming week again, a lot of index are coming into the radar, and tomorrow again 5 index are in radar, and obviously it is combining with the time element also, which is Saturn. So obviously you will see a lot of movement on coal, cement, all those infrastructure kind of stuff. So these stocks will have a major say tomorrow. And coal, India is at the bottom of the market, so you need to watch coal, whether it is going to turn back from here. You need to watch coal India specifically. So watch out for coal India. And next week it is going to be auto, and Maruti. After the date, it was really rocking, and after the Neptune retrograde, all the FMCGs was rocking. So exactly, Planet is doing a vital role when it comes to stock market. So now auto, mid cap, energy and PSU banks should be in your radar. And coming to stocks, these are the major combination stocks, so watch out for that. But my pick will be this one, Biocon and Glenmark. So Glenmark already did 10% on Friday, and actually it went up by 20% and then it came down a little bit. So these two stocks must be in your radar for the coming week, and all these other stocks are there. So watch out for that. And this guy will be dark horse for the coming week, which is Adani Green. Okay, so watch out for that stock especially. And that's all, nothing more to add in this video. Again saying, I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. So again saying, the market is nothing but 99.99% is mind game, 0.0001 is strategy. So it's up to you whether you are going to run behind the strategy or you are going to see what is inside you to understand yourself to trade this market. So again saying, discipline is the key role when it comes to market and not strategies. Okay, see you soon tomorrow. Maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, I'll be late on Monday morning. So once I come back, again the update will start. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.